Here we are adding driver almost in each line in the home page and also inside the functional library. So that is not a good practice. So let us see how to create the constructor and to reduce the dependency. Similarly, we can pass the test data, driver, objects. For all this, we can pass through constructor. So let's see how to create that one. So I created a constructor for this one for home page class. So public home page, web driver, this dot driver. I need to declare that one here. Private web driver, I have declared that one. So I need to create this similar constructor in the functional library also. So previously the functional library has no constructors. So now I added that one in that page. From the home page I have added two functional library. So we have created a constructor for the functional library class. Saving the home page class. In the home page I need to pass this driver. Let's check some error is there in home page. So this is because I have not saved the functional library class yet. Let me save this functional library class. Let us remove one and save that one. So the error has gone now. So we have created a constructor in the home page and the functional library class. Now we can replace the driver here such that it don't need to be taken care in every line. So just I am removing the driver here from all the lines. This is how we are going to reduce the dependency. So this is the power of the constructors. Almost I have removed from the home page class. Similarly, I have to remove from this functional library class also. Let us remove that one. I'm saving this file. I need to declare the driver here. Adding this. Let's see why the error is happening. Okay, I have changed the subdriver to static. Now the error has been cleared. Similarly, I'm removing from the driver class also. Don't need to pass as a parameter for each method. So I'm removing that too. Saving it. Now the error has been cleared. So this is how we need to create the constructors that reduces the dependency between the classes.